So first job, these are some dog breeders. Some big old wolfhounds, huge dogs. Anyway, they breed, and they like this area here. So I came here to do a cleaning and a deodorizing. And this is about area right here, through here. Other than that, it's 50-year-old carpet. Yeah, so in here there's some more. So I'm doing some pet treatment also in here, other than deodorizing. Alright, stay tuned. I already went through the house with the deodorizer. Going through these hard, heavy spots again. And then we use Undoes It for the organic stains areas. This is hydroxide extreme here. It's an awesome product. I diluted this a little heavier. And my other little pump up trays went bad on me, so I had to put it in here, but that's not good enough. So I'm gonna empty this into there, put the Undoes It in there, and hit that. You can see as soon as I hit the with the Undoes It, kind of foams up there. Hit that really good. So it just seems like two areas are a little worse than the others. Today with the green brush, just because it's easier to clean after the job, because I got a couple jobs. Probably gonna end up using the multi-wash after. Definitely gonna have to clean that really good. I'll be using that on the next job. Alright, I'm gonna start the engine up and extract. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I know some of you BLM guys are a little jealous of that heat, steam in jobs like this. Maybe not, I don't know.
And I'm so appreciative.
Sorry.
All right, well, that spot came out looking great.
Oh, God, yeah.
Customers
And then you want
really
to do the
happy.
bedroom as well?
Oh, no, that's fine. I don't want to walk over the nice clean carpet. So. All right. Easy job. Just a couple of pet stains here and there, but just waiting for the customers to kind of vacate. They should be done here pretty soon. And I'm gonna pre-spray, and we're gonna do some scrubbing and extract. So stay tuned. Okay, so there's some urine spots here from the last owner's pets. So I'm hitting that with Undoes It. I forgot my 20 volume, so. Alright, so I've seen a few more places when I was pre-sprayed. I already pre-sprayed the whole place, it's carpet detail. Edwin's helping me today. He's using the multi-wash. CRB brushes, so CRB in, but this is a multi-wash, so you can do more with it than just pre-scrubbing. You can clean with it too. So as you can tell, this carpet is in good condition, normal. Looks like the people took care of it pretty well, whoever used to live here. Except for some random stains here and there, which I'm not too positive it's going to come out. But I'm going to treat it anyway, because they said they were pulling up some powdery residue on them. So it looks like they treated it with probably baking soda or something like that. And usually doesn't work too well. And a lot of times sets the stains. So that's just my opinion and my experience, guys. Alright, stay tuned. good and beautiful and done. We're going to wrap it up. So go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next video.